Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show past event in reverse order in the event calendar plugin in WordPress. So we are going to display latest past event using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in page. First we are going to display past event. Go to notepad and then you see example.com. So you can add your website link and then you see event /list/? event display is equal to past. So copy this so you can use this custom link in your website. Now go to website. Now paste here and you will find this custom link and custom code in video description or in comment section. Now press enter. So by using this custom link we are going to display past event. Now you see past event show from January to now. So this is our ascending order, but we are going to display past event in reverse order. Main display latest past event. Now you see January 19, May, July. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it, then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display past event in reverse order. Now you see tribe event, view, list template. Then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to past event page. So this is our custom link. Now you see refresh the page and then you see our past event in reverse order. Now you see July. So this is our descending order and show latest past event July, May, January. Now you see. So you will find this custom link and custom code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.